Hello everyone. This video will discuss how to install Anaconda. Anaconda is a powerful toolkit for data science and machine learning, as it is a free open source distribution approach for Python. It includes tools such as Jupyter Notebooks and over 1,500 data science packages, making it a one-stop platform for data analysis and machine learning. Additionally, it provides a method to compile libraries into an environment so that we can use code without having to write out lots of complex different functions in an efficient manner. So you should install Anaconda through one of the three approaches listed here, and it depends on your device, either Mac, Windows or Linux, and then follow the instructions on the websites. Here you can see also how to download it. You also don't need to necessarily register and put in your email, that is your choice. So for troubleshooting, there's a lot of information on Anaconda that provides you with the information to how to approach issues that occur, and there is a most common issues section which has definitely had its use in many of our programming lives. And finally, it is important to verify that you've installed Anaconda correctly, and the Anaconda website provides a very clear approach to how to do this with the three different device types, so Windows, Mac or Linux. Now on to how to actually set up an environment. So depending on whether you're using a Windows device or not, it is slightly different. For the Windows case, you will open the Anaconda prompt, so go into click on the Windows key and then search for Anaconda. For the case for Mac or Linux, you can just open any terminal of choice. To create a new environment, you then will write the following line into the terminal and press enter, and make sure you just remember what name that the environment is called, as you will be referring to this in future code. Then go to the website for the module and download the requirements.txt file and place it in your root directory. If you open this file, you'll see that there are a bunch of different packages that have been listed, such as pandas, seaborn, matplotlib, and these all provide code that is useful for different aspects of data science. Then activate your Conda environment in your terminal and install the requirements from the requirements.txt file using the command that is written at point 5. If you're on a Mac or a Windows device without a GPU, you need to install PyTorch using the command below. However, if you have got a GPU, you need to go onto the PyTorch website. And then finally, install transformers using pip install transformers. And here we just have some Conda commands that are listed. These are very important when managing your Conda environment or your Conda environments. And additionally, the link at the bottom of the slide provides a cheat sheet that is from Anaconda, and this has just a short, concise overview of all of the commands needed to manage your environments. So this brings me to the end of the video, and I would just like to emphasize the importance of installing your environment and having it up and running to use in the module, as otherwise it will not be possible to run the labs. However, we can help you if there are any issues. See you in the next video.